Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sparkle Intel RP series graphics card. So friends, Sparkle Intel RP series graphics card offer high resolution gaming with Intel XeSS, AI upscaling, ray tracing and up to 8K media support and plus accelerated AI features for enhanced creation and editing through Intel AI Playground application. In the Sparkle Intel Arc A580 Titan OC debuted with 12 GB GDDR6 memory and advanced Tron cooling 2.0 cooling system featuring AAA XL fan and 2.2 slot design and full metal backplate with a boost clock of 2740 MHz and 200 watt power consumption, and it delivered top tier gaming performance, a blue breathing lightning effect and elegance, while the limited Sparkle GPU holder complete this powerhouse package in the Titan series continue its legacy of performance and style and is priced around $269.99. So friend, and the another model Sparkle Intel Arc B570 Guardian OC 10 TB model with Tron cooling 2.0 featuring dual AXL fan and 2.2 slot design and full metal backplate with boost clock of 2660 MHz and 170 watt power consumption, and it delivers smooth, reliable performance and blue breathing lightning effect at sophistication, making the Guardian series a stylish and compact choice for gaming setup, and its price around $229.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.